neck-breaking explosion on board an A321 few minutes after taking off from Mogadishu. A Daallo Airline Airbus A321 flight D3159 made an emergency landing at Mogadishu today after an explosion soon after takeoff from Mogadishu, Somalia. A loud bang was heard, followed by flames, injuring 2 passengers. The body of a person fallen from a plane around Balcad town, Somalia. If it had happened in higher altitude, it would have been an explosive decompression. It could have been a premature detonation of a bomb carried by a passenger. A passenger filmed the interior of the aircraft still airborne just after the explosion. All passengers moved to the rear of the A321.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingmeme.webs.com.